finally, we have sense stimuli. Now, theater seeks to speak to us through as many senses as possible. The more senses that theater can use, the more deeply you're going to invest in that production. So let's start looking at some of these possibilities. Sound is pretty obvious. We hear what's going on. We hear the actors. We hear the music. The visuals are usually fairly obvious. Not only are we watching the actors, but we're watching the set and anything else going on stage. But things can get a little odd past this. You could have smell. We see this in Disneyland, for example, or Universal Studios, where they'll pump smells into the theater. This is great if it's Julia Child that you're watching, but not so good if you're watching a Rocky movie, for obvious reasons. Now, we can also deal with feel. You can see motion-based theaters where the seats physically move. Now, it's limited as to how much that's going to add to the experience because we're sitting in a seat and our suspension of disbelief is a little bit limited. But it could add to the experience depending what the experience is. Finally, taste, which we once again run into the problem of watching a production about Julia Child or Rocky.